Hi there. In this video, we'll show you how to quickly set up classrooms and students using the new CSV Import feature on BSD Online. No more adding students one by one. Just upload your CSV and you're good to go. If you're an org admin, you'll see a new button on your dashboard called Add Classrooms with CSV. Click that to open the CSV Import window. Here's where you'll upload your data. Start by downloading the CSV template from the top of the window. This file gives you all the columns you need, like student name, email, password, classroom name, and role. Fill in your data. Make sure all columns are filled. Each row represents one student. Be sure to include the classroom name, student email, and their role, either teacher or student. For the purpose of this demo, we already have a filled-out CSV form right here. As you can see, there are students here, and there are 3 distinct classrooms named 223-1, 223-2, and 223-3. We designated BSD Education as the teacher of 223-1. When your file's ready, come back to the import window and select your CSV file into the upload box. Once uploaded, you'll see 2 options for how you want to handle your students. Choose Add New Students if you're adding new classrooms or students. This keeps existing students. Or choose Replace All Students if you're starting fresh for a new school year. If you pick Replace, you'll be asked to confirm, since it removes all existing students first. In this case, we'll choose to add new students only. Click Start Import to begin. The system will check your file to make sure everything's correct and that you're within your student limit. Once it's done, you'll see a success message confirming that your classrooms and students were added. Now go to your classroom page. You'll see the new classroom. The one we teach appears in Teaching, and others under All Classrooms. Each one already includes the correct teacher and students from the CSV. And that's it! With CSV Import, you can set up your whole school in just a few minutes. To learn more about BSD Education, subscribe to our YouTube channel or click another video to keep watching.